What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video here on Charleston Car Videos. Today we're going to go visit a store called the Auto Detail Supplies Store. You know, it's the first time I've ever seen an actual standalone store, basically, that's all into automotive stuff other than maybe a Pep Boys or AutoZone or something like that. This one's got a kind of, it seems kind of cool. So stay with us. We're going to walk through, check it out, and see what all they got right here in Charleston, South Carolina. All right, everybody, so this is their logo here, the Auto Detail Supplies, chemical guys. Basically, if you're looking to get detailing equipment, supplies, stuff like that for your business or home, this might be the place to come. So let's go check it out. This looks really neat, everybody. They probably got great supplies. I'm loving the entire design. I mean, all the logos, it's got that car look about it, you know? And anyways, hopefully we can find some really cool stuff in here today. And we're not coming in necessarily to buy anything that I know of, but you never know. You know, guys like me that love automotive stuff, you know, we get into a place like this, next thing you know, you're picking something up. So let's go see what we can find. All right, everybody, we're inside the store. Pretty cool. Just talking to the guys a little bit, make sure we're okay to film. But it's owned by the Chemical Brothers. And they're obviously a pretty big company. So anyways, this is the first store in the state of South Carolina. But anyways, let's get the camera off of me for a minute and check out some really cool detailing stuff here today. Right, so now I'm not a detailing expert myself, but buckets are always a must. And those are really cool buckets. I'm liking that. Definitely you got your wash mitts, and then you got all kinds of different colors. That's really sweet. Check that out. Big mouth foam cannon, so you can just foam it up, you know what I'm saying? Isn't that pretty sweet? This is really cool, guys. I don't know, you know, you have to go online, do some Google searching and stuff. I mean, they got the bottles, but just, you know, do a Google search and see if they have a store like this in your town where you live at. They probably do some demos on here to show you how everything works with that for waxing. But this is really awesome. All kinds of cool stuff, man. I'm sure they probably got like a kit. There you go, Blaster 6 kit, 116, comes with all kinds of stuff to kind of, you know, get rolling and whatnot. But I'm loving the design of the store, the screens, the metal. I mean, just really cool. Seems like they just got about whatever you need to get to start your own detail business, or just, again, doing it at the house, keeping your classic car, your hot rod, or your import car, you know, ready to rock and roll. Anyways, we might be getting a shirt today and getting some stuff, so we'll do that after we get done filming. But man, this is really cool. All kinds of stuff, you know, really neat. What's up, man? Cool. Yeah. Am I okay? We're good. Yeah.
You're good.
Sweet. This is awesome, man.
First time in the store.
Yeah. They got the bags up here. They got all your everything to keep your car nice and clean. Premium grade soft microfiber drying towel. So anyways, guys, now here's where you're talking. You want to keep your paint nice and slick. You know, you got your buffers. That's really cool. Vacuum blow 500. Check that little guy out. That's really neat. Man, sweet. So anyways, guys, just a quick video. But they're actually pretty busy in here right now. But little foam things here and there. But anyways, check it out, guys. We'll kind of conclude this video here in a few minutes when we get outside. I'm going to walk around, chit-chat a little bit with some of the people and see if we can find something. Talking with the owner a little bit, he's getting ready to open up another store like this up in Columbia, South Carolina. So for some of y'all that are watching that live in the upstate of South Carolina, you'll have one coming a little bit closer to you in about 2 months. He says this company is based out of California. So, anyways, it's cool to see, you know, this kind of stuff reaching down here to the Carolinas a little bit. But anyways, they got all kinds of stuff. Pretty much seems like they got whatever you need to get the job done, keeping your car clean, and also just, you know, keeping the paint nice and shiny. Wow, they got some really nice stuff in here. Anyways, that's cool. They got brushes to get in those cracks in there, you know what I'm saying? And these are like your pads that connect to the buffers. Just like a kind of Velcro type backing on there. But as you can see, they got a breakdown here. Heavy cutting pad is yellow. Medium heavy cutting pad, orange. Green is heavy polishing pad. White Medium light polishing pad. Glaze or finishing pad is blue. Black is your finishing pad, and then red is perfection ultra fine finishing pad. There's tons of them. Anyways, it looks like their pads run anywhere from $8.99 to $11.99, going down to the black pad running in around, well, these are different, but anyways, don't let me misquote anything, but somewhere in that kind of range, which seems pretty affordable. You know, if you're doing this stuff at home, you're not going to probably be, you know, using these pads on a regular basis, but if you're on a detail company, you know, you're going to be using them quite often. Looks like your actual, you know, buffers and all polishing machine is around $149, and I mean that one right there, $229, $210. So this is really cool. Here, the Jet Speed V6 professional surface air dryer blower. Look at that little thing, man. That'll definitely get some dirt out of the cracks in your car. And I really like this vac here, man. That's something I would like to get just to have in the back of my car to use, you know, anytime you need to.
Everybody, we're rolling out. Had a good time. Just met Connor, one of the guys who works here. He said that they're really getting heavily into the car meet thing and doing a actually this parking lot out here, which is massive. It's basically at the end of Ashley Phosphate Road and Dorchester Road near Frankie's Fun Park. They're going to be doing like a Saturday morning type cars and coffee thing out here, and they're going to have coffee and donuts and everything right out there. So really cool place, and I like to see that they're actually getting involved with the automotive community and you know, bringing a car event type thing out here to the North Charleston area, because not everybody wants to drive the Kiowa Island for cars and coffee or Mount Pleasant. Anyways, guys, thanks. I got to get back to work. It's Saturday. Just taking a quick lunch break. Had a good time though, and I'm getting a little bit hungry. We'll see you soon.